Ever wondered why sometimes AI tools like ChatGPT gives you average responses and other times it feels like magic? The secret lies in the prompt. Today, I'll show you a tool that helps you master the art of prompting. Meet Prompt Genie AI, which can instantly level up your AI experience by generating and enhancing prompts that deliver better, sharper responses every single time. It helps boost productivity by enabling users to focus on more complex tasks. Can also be a good starting point for learning about prompt engineering. Let's dive in. Prompt Genie AI is a powerful prompt generator and enhancer designed to help you get the best out of AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Instead of spending hours crafting the perfect prompt, this tool does it for you, intelligently and instantly. Whether you're creating content, writing emails, marketing posts, or even brainstorming ideas, Prompt Genie turns your rough inputs into highly detailed AI-friendly prompts in seconds. It offers 3 powerful algorithms designed to handle tasks of any complexity. From simple queries or tackling advanced problems, it has algorithms to deliver accurate results as per requirement. I have already logged into the application using email ID and verification code. Click on Get Started for Free button. Prompt Genie offers both free and paid plans. The free version is great to start with, but the paid plans unlock advanced features and unlimited prompts, worth it if you work with AI daily. Quick pros: saves time, improves AI results, ready-to-use templates. Cons? Well, you might get dependent and pricing could matter if you're on a tight budget. Let's test it out. I want a strategy to starting working on my new gaming mobile app. Here's my raw prompt: proof of concept strategy for a new mobile gaming app. Now I'll run it through Prompt Genie. Notice how detailed, engaging, and creative the enhanced version is? This is the difference Prompt Genie can make. With just a short prompt, it has created an elaborate prompt with so many elements capturing most essential points. You can then copy this prompt created into ChatGPT. Make any modifications necessary and click on Submit. It is a good starting point and helps you create an elaborate prompt within very short time. It is very useful for overcoming any creative blocks and can provide a fresh perspective. As you see, ChatGPT has now created strategy which outlines a comprehensive path covering target audience analysis, demographics, social integration, market trends and user preferences, unique selling proposition, live events and community involvement, key features to attract users, gameplay mechanics, puzzle solving plus strategy elements, potential modes of play, leaderboards and PvP, user interactions, rewards for engagement, monetization strategy, in-app purchases, subscription model, pricing models, and analysis, technology and development, primary platforms, frameworks and languages, development cycles and resources, alpha and beta testing, marketing and community engagement, teaser campaign, influencers and streamers, early access or closed beta, player feedback loops, timeline and milestones with phases. And that's your complete walkthrough of Prompt Genie AI. If you're using ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI tool, this is one of the easiest ways to instantly upgrade your prompts and get way better results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI tool tutorials, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.